the DPB house means encouragement.
Zajedništvo.
Sigurno mjesto.
Maglingkod.
Rast u vjeri.
DPB za mene znači dom.
A family.
Przyjaźń.
Empowerment.
Mentoring.
Refreshing!
DPB house is a place where you can immerse in God's Word. And being a leader here is just an amazing experience.
DPB House for me is a place where you get to be mentored by leaders who wholeheartedly invest in your life. And in the same time, you are as well given opportunity to mentor others around you and to disciple them.
This leadership training has taught me how to serve God and serve others better, and also just learning how to work in teams better too.
It's been refreshing as I've been able to get a fresh perspective on what it means to do ministry as a team. And also I feel like I've been equipped with some tools for growing as a leader and growing in ministry.
LLI has empowered me by giving me the ability to work with young campers and groups in a Bible study setting or in a small group and really just work on my leadership skills and managing sports activities like archery.
To miejsce jest pełne Bożego pokoju, piękna. Nie trzeba się za dużo rozglądać, żeby widzieć, jak pięknie Pan Bóg stworzył ten świat.
U DPB-u sam prošao sve moguće faze kao kamper, kao crew i sad sam kao voditelj. I ovdje sam prve godine na crew kad sam bio predao svoj život Isusu.
This is the place where I decided to follow Jesus, and every time I come back here, God is always teaching me something new that I can apply to my life.
Naučio sam koliko je molitva zapravo snažna, koliko ona je uistinu potrebna ovdje. Učio je to da Bog čuje naše molitve zaista i da On sluša nas, da On nama odgovara.
Moram reći da je DPB kuća za mene i za moju djecu stvarno predstavlja jedno mjesto, sigurno mjesto gdje mogu pozvati svoje prijatelje. Mi govorimo o ovim kampovima u školi, u vrtiću, svojim prijateljima, svojim susjedima i prvi put kad su poslali svoju djecu, njihov komentar je bio: moja djeca moraju doći na ovaj kamp svake godine, zato što je kamp odličan, jer je stvarno to veliki blagoslov za djecu oko nas.
DPB!